Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I described how intermittent fasting can help you if you are a woman and your age is over 50. You can lose weight by watching this video and applying the steps in your life. Benefits of intermittent fasting: tackles diabetes, improves sleep, improves your body's natural defense mechanism, helps you to maintain a healthy heart, helps your digestive health, reduces inflammation, promotes cell repair, increases your brain power. It's perfect for women over 50. Women have a comparatively higher body fat ratio than men, and they are also more likely to gain fat rapidly. It is not a weakness you have, but a brilliant plan devised by nature to help the coming generations survive. But how do you manage it after menopause? This is where intermittent fasting can help you effectively. If you fast, naturally, your calorie intake will reduce, and it also helps you maintain your weight loss. It also prevents you from indulging in mindless eating. When you skip a few meals, your body starts to reach into its internal stores of fat to provide energy. Also, most of the fat that you lose is from the abdominal region. If you want a flat tummy, then this is the perfect diet for you. Intermittent fasting regulates your sleep cycle and, in turn, makes your body effectively burn fats. As we age, it can become more challenging to maintain a healthy weight. But, with the right approach and guidance, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool to help us reach our weight loss goals. Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. One of the most popular methods is the 16/8 method, where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Another option is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict calories to 500 to 600 for the other 2 non-consecutive days. One of the benefits of intermittent fasting for women over 50 is that it promotes calorie restriction. By limiting the time period during which food is consumed, we can reduce the overall number of calories consumed, which is key to weight loss. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been shown to boost the body's metabolism, which can help increase the rate at which calories are burned. Intermittent fasting may also help to improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to a reduction in belly fat. It's important to note that as a woman over 50, our dietary and physical activity should be tailored to our specific needs and medical history. That's why it's important to consult with a doctor or registered dietitian before starting any new weight loss program. If you're interested in learning more about how intermittent fasting can benefit women over 50, I highly recommend the book, Intermittent Fasting for Women Over 50, Accelerate Weight Loss and Boost Your Energy with this step-by-step guide that will turn back the clock. This book is available on Amazon and comes with 60 tasty recipes and a 21-day meal plan included. It has received great reviews and is an excellent resource for anyone looking to start their weight loss journey with intermittent fasting. Click the link in the description and buy the book now. In addition to intermittent fasting, it's essential to focus on eating nutritious whole foods and getting regular exercise to promote overall health and weight loss. So, if you're a woman over 50 looking to lose weight, give intermittent fasting a try. With the right approach and guidance, it can be a powerful tool to help you reach your weight loss goals. Just click the link in the description and get the book now. Thank you for watching. Note, the video is for educational purpose, it's not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition.